Hey guys, welcome to question FM396 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, the graph below shows the relationship between the Bitcoin and the Australian dollar on a particular day. And we're given a graph that looks much like this one. The points 1, 11,470 and 3, 35,110 are labelled. The equation for the relationship between the Australian dollar and the Bitcoin is Australian dollar equals 11,820 times Bitcoin minus K. Question A says use the point 3, 35,110 to show that the value of K is 350. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to substitute these values into our original equation here, our original formula. So in the place of the Australian dollar, we're going to place that 35,110. That's going to be equal to 11,820 times Bitcoin, well that's going to be 3. So replacing 35,000 into there, 3 into here, minus K. Now from here you can solve this by hand or you can use the solve function on your calculator to help you out, but effectively what you're going to be doing is finding the value of K from this. So 35,110 equals 11820 times 3 minus K, and of course we're solving for K, and coming out of this we should get a value of K equals 350. So the important point here is that we're using the coordinate they've told us to use and we're showing that K is equal to 350. We can't give K a value of 350 in showing that. So I guess what I mean is we can't do this before we come to that conclusion. Part B then says interpret the y-intercept in the context of converting Bitcoin to Australian dollars. Now our y-intercept is essentially what we've just found there, that value K is 350. Now since we're converting Bitcoin to Australian dollars, what we can see here is that if we have a minus 350 as a y-intercept, well that's some sort of fixed cost. We lose $350 no matter how much we're converting. So that's a fixed cost to our transaction. So we might say something along the lines of there is a fixed cost of $350. If you want to be really picky, you can put in the Australian dollars when converting Bitcoin to Australian dollars. Something like that. Anyway, those are those two questions. If you guys have any questions for us, please leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.